Hello litigators, I'm Jerry Koash Jr., President of Koash & Koash Court Reporting. I'd like to show you how to use Zoom's screen share feature to display exhibits during your remote depositions. You can still email your deposition exhibits to the witness and other parties and to Koash & Koash, or send them by Dropbox or whatever file transfer service your firm uses. But displaying them in the Zoom screen gives you more strategic control over the deposition, so you control when they see the exhibits and how they see them. You might be concerned about whether the witness has the technical ability to switch back and forth on their computer between the exhibits and the Zoom screen, or it might be part of opposing counsel's strategy for the witness to not be able to, or to appear to be unable to manipulate the exhibits on their own. So this gives you control of how the deposition goes. So to prepare for your deposition, you're going to want to put all your exhibits into one folder on this computer that you're going to be doing the Zoom from. You're going to want to name the exhibits, and we would recommend either naming them by Bates number or by exhibit number if you know the order that you're going to go, as opposed to just a descriptive file name. Giving them Bates number or exhibit numbers will help the court reporter to make sure we have the correct exhibit identified for the transcript. Our Zoom accounts require you to share a specific file or a specific window on your computer rather than sharing your entire screen. And that's a safety feature so that you don't accidentally share something that you didn't intend to. If you're sharing your entire screen and then you close your exhibit, the other attendees in the deposition might see whatever else is on your screen, whether it's an email, your list of deposition exhibits, or just any other information that's on your computer that you didn't want them to see. So in order to use the screen share, the first thing you're going to want to do is open your exhibit. So you'll open up Exhibit 1 on your laptop. Then you're going to go into the Zoom toolbar, click on Share Screen, and then it's going to ask you what you want to share. So you want to share Exhibit 1, so double click on that. And now you're sharing Exhibit 1 with the witness and the other participants. And the screen that you're sharing is the one that's outlined in green that you can see here. So the other participants will see what you're seeing. So if you want them to scroll down, you scroll for them. You can zoom in and out if you want to make things clearer, and you control what they see. When you're done with Exhibit 1, if you close the file, it stops the screen share. And again, that's that security feature to keep you from inadvertently sharing something that you didn't want to. So then when you're ready for Exhibit 2, you just go back to your Exhibits folder and open up Exhibit 2. And once that's open, go back to your Zoom toolbar, click on Share Screen, double click on Exhibit 2, and now the witness and the other participants are seeing Exhibit 2. So when you're sharing exhibits, you do have access to Zoom's annotation controls, and I'll go over those in a separate video. I know nobody likes a long video, so I'll keep this one short. So once you're done with Exhibit 2, you stop sharing Exhibit 2, and then that's how you're going to share exhibits. You'll want to think about who's going to share the exhibits during your remote deposition. With most of our clients, the attorney does it themselves because they're the one most familiar with the documents. But for some of our clients, they will have a paralegal or a legal assistant attend the deposition by Zoom and have them share the exhibits because they're also familiar with the documents. Or one of our technicians from Koash & Koash can attend the deposition and we can share the exhibits for you at your direction. So you would send us the exhibits ahead of time, and then during the deposition you would say, Jerry, please pull up Exhibit 1, and Jerry would pull up Exhibit 1 and display it for all the parties, and you would have to give us directions saying, jump to page 2, jump to page 3, please zoom in and zoom out, and we will do that, just taking our orders from you. So if that's something that you'd like help with, we're happy to help. I hope this has been helpful. We would love to do a practice session with you to show you in depth how to display the exhibits, let you practice, get comfortable with the technology before the depositions. Just give us a call or shoot us an email and we'll be ready to help you. Thanks.